Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video, we are solving problem on differential calculus. Given problem is if u is equal to x, y, z, then find d square u. Friends, here they are given u is a function of x, y, and z. We need to find out d square u. Nothing but it is a total differential. Okay, we know that if u is a function of x, y, z, then the total difference du is equal to dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy plus dou u by dou z into dz. Okay, similarly we have to remember this formula. If you know this formula, then you can do this problem very easily. Otherwise you cannot do, friends. Okay, you remember this formula, d square u formula. Okay, I'll write here there, right? Given that u is equal to x into y into z, then we have d square u formula. I am writing directly. Okay, now d square u is uxx. You know that ux is nothing but what? First order partial derivative dou u by dou x. Uxx is nothing but a dou square u by dou x square. Okay, so simply I am writing like this: uxx into dx whole square plus uyy into dy whole square plus uzz into dz whole square plus 2 times of uxy into dx dy plus 2 times of uxz into dx dz plus 2 times of uyz into dy dz. Consider the given problem as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Okay friends, so to get d square u value, what you require to find? Uxx, uyy, uzz, uxy, uxz, uyz. What are these all are? Second order partial derivatives of u with respect to xyz. Okay friends, so now we are going to find these all values and we are going to substitute in this equation. Okay, so we have u is equal to x, y, z. Now ux, what is the ux? Partial derivative of u with respect to x. While differentiating partially with respect to x, we have to treat all other variables as a constant. Okay, we have to treat all other variables as a constant. So yz is a constant. If you differentiate with respect to x, x value will be what? 1. Now similarly dou u by dou y, xz is a constant, y derivative with respect to y is 1. Next u z value, derivative of u with respect to z means xy is a constant, z derivative with respect to z partial is 1. Okay, now first order partial derivative over, but what you require? Second order partial derivative. So ux, again you differentiate with respect to x, then ux what you have? Yz term. Is there yz term is a constant? Okay, yz term is a constant. Is there any x term? No. So this will be independent. What is the independent derivative? Is 0. So remember friends, here while differentiating partially with respect to x, we have to treat all other variables as a constant only. Okay, independent of x. So this derivative will be 0. Next, x with respect to y. Is there any y term? Yes, we have a y term and z term also. Here z is a constant while differentiating partially with respect to y. So what is the y derivative now? 1. 1 into z is z. Next, ux with respect to z. Now is there any z term here? Yes, we have a z term. And what about the other term? Y is there, that is independent. So write down y. Now z derivative with respect to z is 1. So 1 into y is y. So uxx, uxy, uxz is completed. Next you find out uyy. Okay friends, okay, first uyx. You know that friends, the partial derivatives like uxy is equal to uyx. Next uxz is equal to uzx. Okay, these are partial derivatives. Next uzy is equal to uyz. These values you know very well. Yes or no? These are equal in a partial derivatives. So friends, you observe. Even though if you want, I'll solve these are also. Now u x completed. Now go for y with respect to x. Uy with respect to x. Is there any x term here? Yes, you have a x term and z term. So z you write on. Now x derivative with respect to x partial is 1. 1 into z is z. Completed. Now u y y. Friends, you remember I am differentiating u with respect to y, but it is independent of y. This derivative will be what? 0. Next u y z. Now I am differentiating y with respect to z. Here z is there, x is there. So you write on x is independent. Now z derivative with respect to z is what? 1. 1 into x is x. Completed. Next you required u z with respect to x. So here I am writing u z u z. Later with respect to x completed. With respect to y, with respect to z I have to do. Now z u z with respect to x. U z is this one. Is there any x term? Yes, you have x term and y term. So y is independent of x. So write on y. X derivative with respect to x is 1. 1 into y is y. Next u z with respect to y. Now uz with respect to y means uz is having a y term and x term. So you write on x constant like independent. Now y derivative with respect to y is 1. 1 into x is x. Next uz z. Here is there any z term? No. So you have to treat this as a constant or independent of z. Independent of z means this derivative will be 0. Now we have to substitute these all values in the equation number 2. Then we will get a d square u. Okay friends. Now substituting all in equation number 2. Then d square u is equal to, friends, uxx value is how much? Uxx is 0. So 0 plus uyy. Uyy value what we have here? This is uxx is 0. Uyy is 0. So write on 0 plus uzz is what? 0. So this term is also 0. Friends, you remember 2 times of uxy dx dy. Actually, you have to get like this. You see, highlight uxy dx dy plus uyx dy dx. Actually, these two are same. That is the reason they are written instead of these two directly 2 times of uxy dx dy. Okay, friends. Now dx dy quotient is uxy. What is the uxy you have? Uxy is z. So 2 into z into dx dy. Okay, friends. Plus 2 into uxz. What is the uxz here you have? Y into dx dz. dx dz plus uyz. What is the uyz here you have? X. 2 times of x into dy dz. That's it. Okay, friends. If you are simplified, then we will have d square u is equal to 2z into dx dy plus 2y into dx dz plus 2x into dy dz. Sorry friends, this is dz. Okay, right. This is the solution for the given problem. Thank you for watching this video.